It is June 30th in the Philippines. We start celebrating Christmas early, but not quite this early. This is a clip I found from December of last year. Just up here a bit, there's a guy roasting a pig beside the sidewalk on the side of the road. When I first moved here, I wondered where all the people lived, and I noticed all the housing down this Dinner time. You speak English? Oh, how long? How many hours? A qué hora?
5 minutes.
Huh?
5.
5 hours? Ah, very good. I'm hungry. You have party? Party? Wedding?
Party.
Party? Oh, Christmas party.
This one.
Ah, very good.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. This is Balut, a developing bird embryo. It's usually a duck or chicken. It's boiled and eaten from the shell. Originated in the Philippines, common in Southeast Asia. Incubation period before the egg is cooked is local preference, but generally ranges between 14 to 21 days. I've heard many foreigners and expats say they've tried it, and they say it's not bad. In fact, it's actually kind of good. I've eaten mystery food in China a few years ago, and most of it was really good. The fact that this is not a mystery, perhaps that's why it doesn't appeal to me. Personally, I like eggs. I eat a lot of eggs, but I often find that the texture of new types of food is often the thing that I have a hard time getting past. New textures you're not used to. I'll show you a couple of clips concerning tire repair for motorbikes. If you own a motorbike, you better know where the repair stations are. I come across these as I walk, and rather interesting. The last clip I have will show the process that these guys use to melt the patch onto the unit. I'm not sure where this little guy gets his tires repaired, but it won't be long and he'll be on the big bike rolling down the road. Here's another tire repair station. My tire repair dog is asleep on the job, it seems. You speak English? Speak English?
Yes.
Ah. Can I take a picture?
Yeah, of course.
Huh?
Picture. Okay.
Of your fixing? Video. How many of these do you do a day? How many repairs? One day?
Depends. Depends.
10?
More than 10, more than 20. Not the
Do you, how do you repair it? How do you just melt the rubber?
Yeah. Put
Rubber patch? You just melt the rubber patch on? Oh, okay.
Itsura niya tikman. May na yan, boy.
Okay, got it.
Tapos, baka gabi. Ha? Ano?
What do you get that hot, then you melt it? Melt it on? How long?
5 minutes.
Oh, really?
My friend, you take video that time, my friend.
Yeah. Doing the same thing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.